Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Harry Boy. Today we are diving into one of my favorite design I'll be working on this 2026, which is the bulk appointment what app. Because this type of app is used what everywhere. The doctors, the barbers, the salons, the hairstylists, the trainer, or the people using the bar. Everybody needs a way to what to book, and if the design is confusing, people will what is going to what leave. So today I'm going to show you how I design a clean, smooth, and easy to use, which is the booking experience. We are going to look at the layout, the colors, the spacing, and how everything what flows from the screen to screen, not just what it looks like. So but why it works. So if you love your UI design, the Figma or the clean app experience, you are about to enjoy this one. So let's jump in and break it down and let's go. We are back again on Figma, and I'm going to be showing you guys on the how to make um, a book appointment app. So everybody knows that we anytime we want to book an apartment, there's a way on how people book apartments. So most users want to know where they want to book their apartment. So so I'll be going to show you on the way I started. So on this screen, I'm going to show you one of my app that I did, which is the welcome page. So I have the logo. I have the title of the logo. Remember, 64. I make it 64. I make sure my spacing is and my alignment are all together so that everything can be very smooth and clean. And see my color, I made it. So I said, okay, welcome patient with care and confidence. Then I have my descriptive. I make sure everything is in order. Then I have the face of the let me just say the total of the I have the face, then I have the get started. But you can use any image or you can do any logos that you feel that you want to do. But this is my welcome page that I first started. So I started in welcome page and I go straight to the login. So we're gonna have a login screen. So this is one of my login screen that I did. So I have the welcome page. I have the place login to your account, the email, the password, and the remember me. Remember when I showed you guys on how to do a login screen. So this is exactly how the login screen is going to look like. But you can use any different login screen. So remember the spacing, the alignment, the title, the text. Make sure everything is aligned. Make sure you everything must be clean, neat, and it must be very enjoyable for the users. So, and I don't have an account to sign up, but I haven't created the sign up account. So I just wanted to show you some of the ways on how you are going to book an appointment. So you have to have a login screen. So from there, I came into the third one, which is the home screen. This is the home screen that I did. So the home screen, let me make it too big so that you guys can see it. So the home screen, you have the profile, you have the notification, you have the search for doctor, or you can use, let me see, or you can just use search for doctors or specialty. Let me just add it there so that specialties, something like that. So you can use it. You can use any color that you can use, but you make sure that, because the first two colors that I used was the white and the black. So I used three colors, which is the black, which is the white, and the um which is the pink or the purple. So, but I can say that this is the purple. So, or you can use this, or you can change the diagram to be this. Let me see if you can change the color of this. Or you can just copy it and change the color like this. I want to see how it looks like. Make sure everything is color. Or you can use this color. This color looks very good, but yeah, or you can use this color. But any color that you want to use, so let me change it back to this. Let me see what color that I use. Okay. Yeah, you can use any color like this, but you have to make sure that everything is the same color. So I did the recommendation, because the recommendation is very important. So on your book appointment app, you have to show your availability. So it has to be in your first uh, introduction in your own page. So you have to understand that, you have to know that the doctor is very available. So it's going to be very important, and the doctor name must be available, and the price of the doctor. And this is the description of the doctor, which is the spine surgeon. So you can see that everything is aligned. You can see that the spacing was neat. Everything was interesting. You make sure. So, and see my text. I use a 16. I use 30. So you have to make sure that everything is aligned. So I use 8. Yes, 8. So everything must be neat. Then I went straight down. Then I use a book appointment. Then, so I use book appointment. So we have the chart, but you have to make sure this is the normal one. But, or you can, let me just see if I can change this stuff to be like, um, I want to see if I can change it to be normal, but okay. But I think it's okay like that. But okay, appointment. But let's see if you can change the chart. So let me see the chart. Let me see the Aconifa. Let me see if we can change it. So I want to see if it's normal. Let me see message. Sorry, I have to see message. I want to see if it's the same thing. Okay, it probably is the same thing. The same thing. So you have to make sure that, because this one is one of the most important thing, the pink. Or you can use or you can change the color of this. You can use white. Then you can use the other side. You can use it as a pink. But it's not like, or you can change it to white. Or you can change it to black. Yeah, black. Remember black, and this one black. So, but you have to just let them know that this is the main color of your this thing. So home page is the main color. So you can use any color that your choice. So let me undo it. So you can use it. So this is the stuff, um, like that. So we go straight to the other one, which is the book appointment. So the book appointment is one of the most important thing with the doctor. So you went to book appointment. Let me reduce it. So this is the book appointment. You have the details. We have the bag. We have the favorites. We have the dentist. We have the experience, the patient reviews. We have the schedules. You have the dates. You have the choose time. Everything. Then you have the reset to hire a specialist. So you have to choose on whether you want to hire a specialist or you want to reset it. So, and this is my book appointment. I made this so bold because this is the main this thing. So you say I use you can use any color. You can use black or white or different kind of colors. So I went to book appointment, or you can use any date that you can use. But you have to make sure that the hierarchy is this thing. And I make the 12 years bold medium because it's the main, because they want to know the experience of the doctor, how many patients he has done, 9,999, then the reviews. Then he has 4.94, and this is the price. So this is the most important thing in your design. So you have to note the important things of your design. Number one is being consistent. Two, you have to be proactive. Three, you have to be very creative in your design. And the last one is, which is the confirm appointment. So this is the confirm appointment. So this is one of the logo I use. That I use the appointment. Then I say your appointment with doctor this thing on Tuesday 3 at 10 a.m. is confirmed. The time before, then I have 3 days to 2 hours. Then you click on done. So this is how UX design. So this is how book appointment is. This let me put appointment uh, confirm. So these are the 5 screens you can use in your design. So this is everything that I've been doing on my UX design. So if so pretty much, so I don't have so much to show you because I've been showing you guys some of the basic things this is show. But for now, I'll be showing you guys what I'll be doing on my design, and I'll be posting it on my YouTube. So you take a look at it. If you like it, if you like what I'm doing, if you like the design, just give me a thumbs up. You can go over again to learn, but I'll be showing you some of the other design things that have been designed. So just like I said, just keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. So pretty much about it. So we are going to stop here for now. Oh my god, do you see the colors that I use? I use the black, I use the white, and one of my favorite parts is the how I use the color combination, which is the pink. So I show you guys how I work on my hierarchy, my spacing, the alignment. So because and my color contrast, because that is the most important thing. So picking from my services, choosing a time to confirm the appointment, everything just feels smooth. So that is the most important thing. The most important thing on my design was to show you guys the important things on my design. I show you guys the dates. I show you guys the schedule, the ways, the important people on the design. So that is the most important things how UI design is going to look like. So that is the power tools we use in UI design. So when the layouts make sense, the colors feels calm. So and the spacing give everything room to breathe. So users don't have to think, they just have to book because when they see everything on the design. So that is what I love about designing apps like this. You are not just making something what look nice. You are making someone life very easier, very enjoyable for them to click, very enjoyable for them to use the app very well. So this is the most important things in the UI design. So if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more UI design content, and comment if you like to use this booking app in real life, because everybody wants to use booking app, and that is the most important thing in design. So just like I said again, this is your boy Harry Boy. More design on your way, more creativity coming, more advanced, more things, I'm sorry that I'm messing everything up. So I'm just trying to make everything look very incredible. So that's like I said to you guys. This is your boy Harry Boy. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your help. So please don't forget to like, comment, please share my uh, designs everywhere around the world. That design is very, very more important and very more creative. So I will see you guys in my next video. Please, please stay safe outside there. So let's go. Peace.